What's up, everybody? This is Eric the Tech Preacher. So in my Galaxy Note videos, y'all guys see me pull out the S Pen. And when I pull out the S Pen, it makes a lightsaber sound. And I always say stuff like this, right? When I pull out the S Pen, I say, who's your daddy, baby? Who is your daddy? And I get a bunch of comments asking me, how do you do this? Well, I got the Galaxy S22 Ultra and now it has the S Pen. So in this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way on how to get this sound on your Galaxy S22 Ultra. Ball status, baby, ball status. So let's get into it. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So I'm going to show you how to make your Galaxy S22 Ultra the most dopest phone on the planet. So what you need is two apps. Now, both of these apps I will have links down in the description below, so don't worry about that. One of the apps is called Zedge. Now, that app is available in the App Store. The second app is called Spen Toolbox. Now, this app is no longer in the store, but no worries. I got the APK link down in the description below. So all you got to do is install both of these apps and let's get into it. First, when you have both of these apps downloaded on your device, the first app you want to open up is the Zedge app. Now, once you open up the Zedge app, you don't need an account. You don't have to log in. You don't have to do anything. Click on notification sound. Now, at the top of notification sound, you see a search tab. Now, at this point, you can search for any sound you want. But for this video, we're doing the lightsaber sound. So when you click on the search bar, you want to type in lightsaber on. So when you click on the search, you will see a bunch of sounds that says lightsaber. I always pick the lightsaber that says Star Wars on it. So click on that. And at this point, you will probably see an ad, but that's okay. Let the ad play and we're going to wait for the ad to finish. So once you let the ad finish, you see something that says download, like an arrow pointing down. Click on it and you will see a question pop up saying, what do you like to do? Now you want to click on save to media and that's it. That's all you got to do. Now go back to the main menu on Zedge and you want to search again for lightsaber off. And again, you want to pick the Star Wars one or anyone that sounds good. You can preview it if you like. So once you click on it, download it to your device. You will see a pop-up again. What would you like to do? Click on save to media. And boom, this part is done. Next, you want to open up Spen Toolbox. Look, don't worry about nothing on this screen. Only thing you want to worry about is three things. Under Device Administrator, you have to turn it on. Now, at this point, you may get a pop-up. You do have to give this app permission to run on your device. Next, you see S Pen Detach. Click on it and you're going to get another pop-up menu. Now at this pop-up menu, you want to click on media file. At the top left, you will see a menu bar. When you click on that, scroll down to what's called sound picker and open that and choose the lightsaber sound. Now back in Spen Toolbox, you want to scroll down and you see something that's called S Pen Attach. Click on it, click back on media file and click back on the menu tab and go all the way back down to sound picker. Now you want to choose lightsaber off. Now at this point, you are done. Now you can go back and now you can pull out the S Pen and you're going to hear the sound. You are done. So now at this point, you can take the Galaxy S22 Ultra and pull out the S Pen. Now you will hear a sound. Here it is. So look, check this out, right? When a person with an iPhone come up to you talking about and bragging about how iPhone is good, you pull out your Galaxy S22 Ultra, you pull out the S Pen and you say, who's your daddy, baby? Who is your daddy? Put that S Pen back. And once you put that S Pen back, look at their face. Or you could get a good funny out of that one. This gonna be hilarious. That's what I'm talking about. If you got your Galaxy S22 Ultra, go on to have some fun with it. Get that dope sound that you all know and love. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about that dope sound coming out your Galaxy S22 Ultra in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.